Wait a second, we need to explain this first. Have you ever stomped on an empty juice box before? If you did, you may have seen that it exploded with a loud bang. If you didn't, well, today's your lucky day. Before you see this experiment in action, we will teach you the science behind it. Technically, we're turning this juice box into a mini explosive. When you stomp on it, the air inside it gets compressed. There's a certain limit to the amount of pressure the juice box can handle before the air forces out of the box. Just like an explosive, this process creates a disturbance in the air, which generates a pressure wave that propagates outward. Combined with the plastic bursting, this is the loud bang that you hear. It also looks sweet in slow motion.
In audio. In audio.
Well, we hope you liked this video. It's our first, so we're still learning how to improve our work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.